modern style home na nasa prime and flood safe location. Tara na, deserve to ng pamilya mo.
Are you looking for single attached here at Binyan, Laguna? And perfect who's working in Laguna and near Manila? Welcome to the Granary Binyan by House Talk. Hi, this is Amara single attached unit with a lot area of 45 square meter, provision of 1 car mall.
May sariling garahe para sa sasakyan mo at garden para kay mami. Pagpasok mo, meron kang open space for your living and dining area. And sliding window ay nagbibigay liwanag at sariwang hangin paloob. At meron ka ditong service door going to car park. At sa kabila naman ay may service area at air well or natural airflow na maximize na din ang ating kitchen area. At meron ka na ditong one toilet and bath dito sa first floor with complete fixture. At pag-akyat natin sa second floor, dito mo mararamdaman yung home. Una mong makikita ang first bedroom, sakto for kids, guest room, or pwede ring work from home setup. May enough space para sa bed, cabinet, at study table. Next, dito naman tayo sa bedroom 2, master bedroom. Mas maluwag, kasya ang queen size bed, may area pa for cabinet at personal space mo.
Ready ka na bang lumipat sa sarili mong bahay at di ka na uupa habang buhay? Hi, I'm Annalyn of Your Dream Home Vibes and this is my partner.
Hi, I'm Kuya Ian, accredited salesperson under Yesland Realty. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang aming house tour, just call or message your Dream Home Buy page for free tripping and pass approval.